Hi everyone! Welcome back to this channel, and if you are new here, I'm Candice. I'm an artist and illustrator based in Singapore, and I create videos of my art making process. Okay, so I just got my hands on like the brand new 2021 iPad Pro, and I thought that it would be fun to just do like a mini unboxing thing for this channel and then share with you all my digital drawing process on the iPad Pro. Because I realized that since the start of this channel, I've only been making videos of myself doing traditional painting, and digital art is such a huge part of my work, especially for the commercial and professional part of it. So I think that it'd be quite fun to just share with you how I go about doing my drawing on Procreate on the iPad Pro, and then hopefully you enjoy it just as much as I do. So heads up that you're about to see really inconsistent lighting in this video. Reason being that yours truly is currently, I am 24 weeks pregnant, and with this belly it is very uncomfortable to sit at my desk and finish an entire piece of drawing in one sitting. So I had to do that over a couple of days, so I take breaks in between, and sadly I didn't have the weather on my side. So it was sunny, and then it was raining, and then it was sunny, and it was raining, and then it was evening. I lost the daylight. I had to turn my lamp on. But you know what? Shit happens. But life goes on. And here we are with this video for everyone. So I hope you enjoy it, and we'll catch up in a bit. are back! And I hope you enjoy this drawing process on my iPad. I would love to share a lot more digital drawing stuff with you, like my favorite brushes, where I download my brushes from, what are the apps that I really like for my workflow and things like that. If there are any other stuff that you would like to know, please leave them down in the comments so that I can try to incorporate them in my next videos. But that's it. Really sorry for losing out that huge chunk of drawing at the end, because I didn't know that my camera was gonna turn itself off after like, what, 30 minutes? 20 minutes? I have no idea. I didn't Google like the time limit for the recording part. So I got carried away drawing and I had no clue that my camera has already switched itself off. So that was that. But thankfully we've got Procreate's time lapse that I could use to make up for the huge chunk that was missing in the last part, and hopefully that was enough for you. And yeah, you get the idea. That's that. So I think the main takeaway of this entire process is that sometimes due to unforeseen circumstances, we just have to make do and make the best out of it. So that's why you have this video. Despite the weather, despite my camera turning itself off, we have got this. So I guess it's a good thing, right? Okay, that's all. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!